Hey guys, I want to show you a little project that I am working on right now. Don't mind my finger there. So I'm making vegetable stock from scraps that I saved from my kitchen. So we can see we've got some celery here, a broccoli stem because my family is ridiculous and won't eat the stem, they just eat the florets. We've got some kale stems in here too, onion and garlic papers as well. There's some carrot shreds in there, I think some peel of a sweet potato. Any and everything that you peel off of a healthy vegetable in your kitchen, you can save it in a Ziploc baggie just like this. So I have mine, veggie scraps for stock. This one actually even has some butternut squash peel in it as well. So you just want to put these in a Ziploc baggie and freeze them until you're ready to use it. I have about a full pot. You can see I brought the water level up pretty much as high as I could get it. I'm seasoning this with a fair amount of salt. Probably about a heaping teaspoon. And I'm also going to put in about 10 whole black peppercorns. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, one more, 10. So I have all that stuff in there. There is also some herb scraps in here. So parsley stems, cilantro stems, basil stems. Again, it's whatever you have, but it works out really well. And you really get your money's worth out of your vegetables because you're using the whole thing. And then you also get to kind of save some of that, what would otherwise be garbage and not be throwing that out. So it's a really good way. So we're going to bring this to a boil. And then just let it simmer for about 2 to 3 hours until it's reduced. It's going to turn a nice brown color. And then I'm just going to put it in some containers, plastic Tupperware containers. And again, either freeze it for later use or pop it in my fridge so I can use it to make soup, stews, sauces, whatever I would use vegetable stock for. I hope this is a good tip for you guys. Enjoy it, and I'll talk to you later.